Yes, good morning 8th form students. Today we will do the topic mixture, its characteristics and its types. So firstly, let me tell you one thing, previously we did compounds and there is a lot of difference between elements and compounds. First differences that compound is a pure substance and mixture is impure substance. So firstly the definition of mixture. Matter formed by mixing two or more substances in any proportion. But in compounds, it was a definite proportion. But in mixtures, elements are present in indefinite proportion. So characteristic, first is the definition only, which I have written here. So second point is, mixture can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Now meanings I will tell you later on when we will discuss the types. Then mixtures do not have a fixed or definite melting and boiling point. Then mixtures can be separated by physical methods, but in compounds case, mixtures can be separated by chemical methods. Now no formula, any mixture cannot be represented by any type of formula. Now types of mixtures, mixtures can be of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now firstly homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures are those mixtures in which constituents are uniformly distributed, means we cannot see constituents individually. For example, salt solution, milk, tap water and air. Let me explain you the salt solution. Salt solution is a homogeneous mixture and it is prepared by mixing water and salt. Now we can only see the aqueous solution, we can't see water and salt separately. So such type of mixture are known as homogeneous mixture. Then second type of mixture is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture are those type of mixture in which constituents are not uniformly distributed. Means we can see the elements or constituents separately. For example, soil, sand and stone, mud and water. Like for example, soil, it is a mixture of many type of constituent which we can see when analyzed. Now sand and stone. Now in a mixture of sand and stone, we can see the grey particles of sand separately and stones, pieces of stone separately. Mud and water, we can see water clearly because mud is heavier, so it settles down and we can see the mud particles separately. So these are all the information about mixtures, and in my next video I will explain you the separation of mixture. That's all.